In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can use a web browser here on a PS5. This is the method that I personally use, and it's super easy to do. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top right corner and select settings, and then go specifically into your network settings. Once you're in here, select connection status and then hit view PlayStation network status, and this is going to take you to essentially what we're going to be using as a web browser. Hit X right here and scroll down to the bottom, and what you're looking for is a little tab that looks like this. Specifically, two pages on here, the About Us page or the blog page. The option that you need next is going to be on here. So open up both of these, and what you're looking for is a specific link to YouTube. Mine is on blog. Some people have been saying it is on About Us. Essentially, just scroll down until you see the Stay Connected tab. Select this little YouTube hyperlink, and it's going to redirect you to the PlayStation YouTube, just like so. From here, wait for it to load, and you're going to see a sign in page up in the top right. Go ahead and choose that, and once you do, go ahead and select this. Select privacy down in the very bottom. This is going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Select these little app icons up in the top right, and then from here, go ahead and select Google Search. This is essentially a functioning search engine here on a PS5. So you could really search for whatever you like. I like to just search for myself on here and then hit go. And as you can see, it literally works. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.